Hi and welcome to christinescrafts.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make some lovely tea light holders for autumn or fall, depending what part of the world you live in. Remember to subscribe below so that you can catch all my videos. This is what we're making today. We're going to use some nice pressed autumn leaves to make some tea light holders. All you're going to need is some sort of glass jar, doesn't matter what it's had in it. Some glue. This is a Decopatch glue, but it's PVA based glue, Mod Podge, that sort of thing. Some nice pressed leaves, which hopefully you did last autumn, or you can get some done quickly this autumn. You'll see it's quite a selection here, but I'm choosing the nice red ones because they're my favourite. I do have another video about pressing flowers, so if you'd like to have a look at that, please stay until the end, and there'll be a link to it. So we're going to start by brushing some of the glue on the jar. You'll see that I just do it all in the same direction because you do end up with brush marks at the end. The glue dries clear, but there are marks in it, so you get a texture. So it's worth making sure it all looks nice. So place your leaf on and then apply more glue. So you're basically sealing it to the jar. Now I've left the stem on this leaf. You can do that. I started taking mine off simply because it doesn't always glue down as well as the leaf. It can be a little bit stiff and sometimes poke off and catch on things. So I'm now going to just do the other side, and you can just cover the whole jar in glue, and you can stick as many leaves, flowers, or whatever you like on. I'm doing one opposite the other. It's a bit of symmetry. Again, I'm just going to seal it down. That's what's important. So you've got a good layer of glue underneath and a good layer of glue on the top. It's just like any other decoupage you may have done. So now in between those, I'm going to put the nice simple red leaves. And there you go. Make sure it's down. Make sure it's sealed. So I made 3 of these, and you can use them with the battery operated tea lights in the house, which is how I've shown them to you. Or you can use them outside in an evening if you get a nice warm autumn evening, and put real tea lights in them, perhaps the citronella to keep the bugs away. And there you have it, that's it. Leave it to dry and your tea light holder is finished. So here are the 3 I made, some nice acorns, and good luck with yours. Remember, you can put any pressed flowers or leaves on them, whatever you fancy. So thank you for watching, and once again, please give me a thumbs up below, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when all my videos are released. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.